Hi everyone, today I am going to explain about differences between end user and consultant. SAP is number one software because of its flexibility, interfaces, integration, etc. In SAP, two modules is there: functional and technical modules. Coming to functional modules FICO MM SD HR, then technical modules are HANA BW BA ABAP. Compared to technical modules, functional modules are best module for learning. Then compared to technical consultant, financial consultant will have more opportunities and salaries also high. Functional consultant is very important to business. They convert the business into non SAP to SAP and resolves the errors and tickets there, and they map the entire business into SAP. Coming to end user, a SAP end user uses the finished SAP system to create or modify various business related tasks. End user is the best option for those who want to become an accountant, senior accountant, and manager. This is totally non IT field. Their salaries are starting with 2.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. For managers, 12 to 13 lakhs. End user roles are performing business tasks using the SAP system for which it has been created, collect task related information from SAP system. End user will prepare the financial statements like business balance sheet and profit and loss account. End user will get the errors while they posting daily transactions. The errors will be resolved by the consultant. Coming to consultant, a SAP consultant builds the SAP system from scratch and provides modifications or updates for it based on the needs of the end users. IT consultant have the designations be like associate or junior consultant, senior consultant, lead, project manager, program manager, etc. Junior or associate consultant salary start with 3 point and end with uh, 25 lakhs. If you have to face daily challenges, then consultant is the best option. Uh, for consultants, extensive knowledge of SAP modules is required. Well versed in domain knowledge, good presentation and communication skills, ability to work in team are required skills. Consultant with the client and design a SAP system as per need, facilitate the implementation of the SAP system, make changes or provide updates from the system as required, advise and guide the end users regarding the SAP system.